Dream come true, gotta chase, chase. If you lost some, embrace, brace. The bond we say can't break it. I'ma give you my heart, don't break it. Man, me and you, girl, that's amazing.
Hi everybody.
Stop.
Come on, stop worrying about me.
What is up, R&J Squad? We back at it again with another video. Oh. This video is going to be Poopy.
Me.
Putting on a wig. Like, it's gonna be his first time trying to install a wig on me. And right behind me, guys.
Install it. You say like it's the app or something.
Right behind me,
I got I'm gonna install an app on top of your head. Are you saying install?
Okay, I got some hair. Oh, and this is from Dye Hair 777. Let me show you guys. All right, you see it? Okay, so this is the first time I've ever, tried this hair. I haven't opened it yet. I just wanted to see how cute. Look how cute this is, y'all. They put it in a little bag. Poopy, look how cute, honey. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Oh my God, look at it. I haven't really looked at the hair yet. Like I said before, yeah, I didn't want to cheat y'all. I didn't want to I wanted it to be a surprise for when I see it and then when you guys see it. So I wanted us to see it at the same time, So I'm going to open this. Poopy, you want to open it? Open it. Okay, before I take out the hair, this is a, they gave me a little card. It's so cute. And this card, it tells you how to take care of the hair. It's like a hair care card. Y'all see how beautiful it is? Oh. It tells you how to take care of the hair. Wash hair 2 to 3 times a week. Okay. Oh, and they show the contacts. Stop doing that!
Hey, why are you watching me? Watch yourself.
It shows the contacts, where you guys could contact them, where you could follow them on Instagram, all of that good stuff. Oh my goodness. And
Fuck.
for the next order, I have a coupon code. It's DIE RE10. We lit. Okay, but and they also come with some cute lashes. Poopy, look at it. Look at it, honey. Look at the lashes. Look at the lashes, y'all. Ow!
I thought you just got hair.
Listen, I didn't listen. They blessing me, okay? All right, the hair.
We're on my toes. What you doing?
Before the hair, they also gave me some hair, a hair clip. It comes with a hair clip.
Your hair, you got toes.
Look, Poopy, we're doing a video. He's so rude, guys.
Why are you screaming?
But they gave me a hair clip that comes with the wig. I'm so excited about this. Oh my God. Okay, this is what the hair is in. The wig is in.
A duffel bag full of money.
That is money. All right. Take this out. Yes. All right. They had this, because it clean.
You look like the lunch lady.
You talking about this, y'all. It's stupid.
I got a lunch lady.
You dumb. Shut up.
My lunch lady.
Shut up.
You mine.
This is the hair, y'all. This is the wig. Okay.
I'll bring the food out of the lunch lady.
It is, oh my goodness. I could put it as a ponytail because it has lace in the back and it has lace in the front and it is pre-plucked, y'all. Look at this. It's pre-plucked. Tell him, Poopy. Why does he play so much?
I'm the nut lady.
Alright, so I'm going to take off my wig now that I have on now. And I'm going to have Jordan try to install this on my head. I'm so nervous, Jordan. Please don't mess up this hair because I really want to put it on myself. Okay? So, please. Okay. I had to brush it out a little bit, but it has no shedding so far. I don't feel no shedding. Okay, okay. It's like a full, is it a full lace? No, it's not a full lace, but it'll work. Look how thick the lace is. It is so thick. I wish I could show y'all. Look how thick it is. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to take off this wig.
I'm waiting for my roll. All this talking, all this chit chat.
You stupid.
This chit chat for the birds. You leave that outside. I'm ready to make plays and make the game play. I'm ready for game time.
I don't even know if I want to. I don't even know.
This ain't no shot clock.
All right, y'all. I'm finna take off my wig. Poopy, come on.
This love died.
All right, y'all. I'm finna take off my wig.
Who are you? Alright, come on.
Hey!
Hey, this is my brother. No.
Oh, you still love me like this?
No, a lot.
Mm-hmm. Now, come on. Put this on me. Stop! Come on. Put this wig on me.
Let me talk to you.
Put this wig on me, man. Stop playing.
Sit back.
I'm sorry.
I got you. How you want? Come on now.
You stop.
I got you. Drooling and shit. Come in now.
Stop.
Put your head straight.
Hey.
Like this.
So aggravated.
Oh, wrong side.
What?
No, you good. This shit got holes in it.
Okay.
What you done did to that? Come on now. All right now. All right. Damn, the back of your noggin. It's like right there. All right.
Hold on.
Where my needle and thread? All right.
Oh my God.
Leave.
Yeah, you're gonna put my wig on. Alexis is here, guys.
The video's over.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
He's doing the boyfriend puts
Is he
on.
doing it good?
Girl, no, you're doing my hair, but I'm doing this video for him. He needs to.
Oh my God, why is he using
We're
it?
about to get the.
Eco.
You're not gonna mess up my lace.
You're supposed to show me how it's done.
No, you do it.
It looks good though.
Come on, the
I
wig,
like
right?
a good wig, yes.
Yeah, it is a
You
good
better
wig.
not fuck that up.
I'm not. I'm gonna
I ain't talking, I'm talking to him.
Oh, he better not.
You're supposed to show me how it's done.
Alexis finna put on my head.
'Cause I'm
Right
gonna,
now?
I'm definitely gonna put this everywhere.
You home?
You hear
It's like that.
Oh, it's a full
Yeah.
lace? That's lit. And it feel good.
Yeah, I'm gonna start putting this everywhere if you don't tell me.
The front.
Oh my gosh. He didn't even cut it, did he?
No, thank God.
You're not gonna let him
No,
cut it?
heck no.
Come here. Come here now. And watch out. Hands off the merchandise. Alright, we'll get this in here.
Oh my God! Why?
Slap that thing right.
Why you drooling?
This is straight as hell. Alright, that's gonna stick for a while. Alright, that should be good. That should be good for a while.
Why is this showing?
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, no.
This is.
You wanna apply a little bit more?
Oh Lord, please, God, I gotta wear this hair. Alexis gotta do my hair.
Oh my God. First, you're putting it too far back.
That voice say, "Oh."
Come here.
Oh shit. This is what y'all were doing when y'all answered the phone?
Mhm. Why is he laughing?
I got you, hold on.
Why is he laughing like that?
Oh my god. What?
Come here.
Do you like that? Is that cute to you? A complex. He folded it.
Oh my. No, he didn't.
Because it's not cut. Hold on. We good.
He folded the
Oh my god. Okay.
Do I have stuff? Did I bring it in
No.
here? I think I started in here.
She hiding because Nate. Nate's coming, y'all.
You guys talk to him.
Oh my god, this is.
Where's my phone? My phone's on.
Ow!
You gotta get it on there. Don't.
My phone's on.
What do you call it? Tender. You tender hit it.
I ain't tender. Ow!
I gotta pat it down. Only time I get to hit it.
Bro, he is really walking around like he is shit with the little things is.
Like, you act like he can't see your car.
All right, I think that's it.
I hope he ain't pay attention to it.
Alright, that's it. You done?
I think that's it.
What did you do?
God, you look good. Man.
What? Oh my god. Nate, come see what your brother did to my head. What? This is crazy.
I think she look good. That's just me.
Look at this.
You gotta fold it and everything. So you gotta fold it? Yeah. How you put the lace on and that edge, make it right, make it sit right. You know what I'm saying?
I made him make a wig. I made him put my wig on.
I did make this wig though.
No, we got it from DY Hair
My
777.
company.
Guess who's here?
I just saw it. Why are you hiding? I thought you weren't coming back.
Yeah, she's gonna do my hair. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. I would like to thank Dye Hair 777
Thank me.
for blessing me with this beautiful straight 24-inch hair. This is wonderful. So I'm gonna get it really put in by
Wait. Hey,
yours
give me a good
truly,
give me a good thumbs up.
Alexis.
Give
She
me a
gonna
good
put it
thumbs
on.
up. If I did right,
All right, y'all, my wig coming off.
it's already coming off. It's already coming off. Come on. Hey, give me a good thumbs up if I did a good job.
See, if you would have done a good job, I wouldn't be looking like this.
It wouldn't be able to slide off so easy. Yaga!
Oh, no! Oh! Oh!
All right, you guys, this is the finished product after Alexis puts it on my head. Look how cute. And it's so soft, y'all. It's so soft. This is the next morning, by the way. It's so soft. All right, you guys, so it's Dye Hair 777.